Good morning and evening to you all, wherever you are joining me at this moment. Welcome to 352 edition of Investdata Trading Academy Live with Ambrose. Yes, I will say, I'm glad to say that the global market has slowed down. We're seeing a relatively calm returning to the global market, generally in the Asia, in Europe, and in US. Africa is not left behind. We're also seeing it here in NGS. We're seeing that market has opened in the green across the globe. Let me use that language. For me, it's a good news. No, but I'll tell you that no, all eyes are still on events unfolding in the Middle East. That's why we're seeing the market rebound on what on policy statement, and this is why I said, you hear me saying that we need our central bank to be talking here in Nigeria. We need the Minister of Finance to be talking. It's just for us as investors, also entrepreneurs to know where they are going as a nation. You can see that even when there is the kind of a turmoil across the globe because of the ongoing Ukraine and Russia, war which has been there before more than a year now, and that's the one that just spring up over the weekend from the Middle East. We can see that yesterday was seen statement positively in the midst of any expectation and consumer price index for September in US and other economic data from like Italy expecting to see their industrial production data and all those stuff. But the members of Fed like monetary policy here are coming out to give a statement or kind of comment that can signal that yes, fear of rate hike again has started coming down because from the statement that because we are seeing them yield treasury yield hitting high and already hitting a sustained high despite pulling back yesterday to around 4.62%. And also oil price dipping. We are seeing that there is kind of comment, a body language, a discussion again that they might likely be what rate cut. That now they might be kind of going to losing in terms of tightening of monetary policy. This has sent a good signal to the market. Not only in US, we saw that in Asia market, we saw market rebounding there straight. This morning, 14 yesterday panic fear. Also in US, we saw a market extending. The trend yesterday, even at the beginning of the market today, if you know when it closed yesterday, US market was in red, but towards the close of the market, it closed higher, and that also extended this morning. Europe has also opened in a good dimension this morning. Positive one. For me, it's a good one for the global economy, and that tells you that with all this unfolding, expect to see increased volatility in this, last, quarter of the year between now and end of the year, and this, volatility will create that opportunity for you and I to make money. You can see that, yesterday we saw kind of market rebound in US. That means I thought a good support level in US rebound, and which for me is a good one coming out from the oversold region in that environment. For me, it's a good one. Also, we're seeing that Asia stock, like I just told you earlier, have rebounded powerfully. It tells you that the fear, the nervous they were having in that environment also have also gradually started slowing down. We're seeing the investor regaining some confidence, and this has kind of subsided the fear, kind of bringing a form of release to them. For me, it's a good one for those in that market, and that's why you need to keep your eyes in the market. Yes, yeah, like I said, for me, these trends are good for us as trader investor to know what is happening and also pay attention in an environment where we see what opportunity and make money. And this is a good news, I will say. But I believe that all market players and investors should also, traders in the middle, like I just said, should also know that this is the time to think more of what, more of psychology, which is sentiment. I tell you that if in general market, market movement is more of what sentiment, it's more of reaction, and that's why sentiment is very very key. That's why I tell you that 80% of psychology, is what traders look at. Why 20% of what of analysis? Analysis are good, fundamental, technical, and what I will tell you is the sentiment that put the market is sentiment that provide liquidity. Once you see that sentiment is negative, fund believe in the market. When it's positive, fund also be coming back to the market. That's why you must understand how to read this sentiment in anything you are doing in the equity market. Especially I tell you that investing is about developing yourself, having a mindset, believing yourself, that confidence, and also when you take decision, You don't panic because Mr. A trading strategy or plan is meant from your own. Don't pattern your trading with Mr. A trading or Mr. B trading. No, have your goal. Once you have your goal, you will trade this market confidently, especially at this last quarter of the year. I said it earlier yesterday and I'll still repeat again that this is a quarter that comes with a lot of seasonality. And I'll tell you, in any decision we are taking, always factor in what uncertainty, because we don't know what will unfold tomorrow, and that will now kind of put your market, your trade in what in negative. That is why any trade you are entering, as it's important for you to know the right price to enter, it's also important for you to set your stop loss, because in your trading plan you have all these ingredients: your stop loss, your buy range, your target, all of them. And also you must take away emotion. That's why I say you must believe yourself. And you must separate your trading from your emotion. Let also from distraction. These are the things that you should know. These are basic things that is very essential, both for amateur, both for professionals, both for those that have been in the market for 20 years or more than 20 years. You must be disciplined when you are trading so that you will be able to be focused, and when you focus, you achieve good results. I believe that this is what investors should be doing at this time. Now that we are seeing all this trend up and down, yes, we have seen how this trend also damaged the market before now, an economy when a war started in Ukraine and Russia. Now gradually the war is coming now back, into the direction, seeing some economy coming back to their post COVID-19 activities. But I still tell you that with what is happening in Middle East, it's another slowdown for global economy. But nevertheless, there's still opportunity for us to make money, and that's why you must sharpen your trading strategies, and also have a good tradable ideas, and also action. Nothing like having a tradable idea and we're not taking action. Action is very, very key when it comes to when it comes to trading. We must have this at the back of our mind so that at any given time you know you will be ahead of the market. And once you have achieved that, that is a good way to also to invest wisely. And I know that as investor, you should not just go and sleep. As we speak now, I'll tell you that Israel currency has hit at 7 months, 7 weeks low for me. 7 years low, with what is happening in that Middle East, and that has given dollar more strength, because well, this giving dollar more strength was going to affect commodity, which I studied yesterday. Still, that trend is still maintained because the central bank of Israel has also announced kind of they want to sell to boost their world, sell about $30 from their foreign reserve, just because of what is happening in in that environment now. The internet is fluctuating. That's why you are not hearing me again. I'm so very, very surprised that internet is going. But yes, it has just finished raining here. I don't know why it's still going up and down. That's why there's a kind of break in our discussion. But if it continue like this, I might stop. But if it stabilize at this time now, we'll continue from where I stop. That is why you must keep your eyes in the market, and also the time for you to go defensive. Whether you are trading international market or down here in Nigeria, you need to go defensive. Yes, I think that market is on a kind of consolidation in Nigeria here, but also you can still go defensive. In China, we're seeing that regarding shares are also lost about 10% as market opened this morning as a result of the company notifying that they are bond, and also they might be also be kind of defaulting, and that is also the fear is also falling. These are the things that is also shaping market globally. But here we'll come back to what is happening in our market here in Nigeria, because it's very, very important. We look at what is happening here in Nigeria so you know exactly what to. Since the internet is, let's quickly go to our market to look at what is happening in our market before, because the internet is not stable, that the weather is affecting it here. But let's see how far it will take us. Yeah. But I believe that because our market here, we are seeing some potential that yes, the market has maintained a positive momentum and sentiment. Even we have not seen a clear trend, because we are seeing market oscillation, one day up, one day down, but still within the consolidation range, which we can see on the chart already. For this morning, market is, I would say, is flat. Let me use that language. Not in red, not in green. Market is just trading at 7,003. 7,130.14. Market is up just by 1.81%. The market is up now 0.001. And if you look at the market bread is flat. We're having 15 losers and also 15 gainers at this point. You can see that I'll tell you market is flat, waiting for what it will tell you that at the beginning that we need our monetary policy and fiscal authority to start bringing information that will guide the people. But I believe that once we start seeing earnings, it will change the face of the market over here. Yes, right now, as we speak now, look at the loser chart that has 15 losers. The top ones here are John Holt, Champion Brewery, Regency Insurance, then Africa, and Universal Insurance. These are the top losers. On the gainer side, we are seeing MC Nichols, followed by Capital Hotel. And Capital Hotel, don't forget that they've approved 5 naira forward for the market share that they are buying out, but it's trading around the 3 naira 2 kobo right now, followed by Cabaton and also Champs and APC. These are the ones leading on the on the gainer side. But in terms of volume activities, Fidelity Bank is still leading right now at trading at 17.55 million shares so far. Don't forget that they've notified the market of their hybrid primary market activity or offer, the right issue and public offer coming. And also, we're seeing the Access Bank is following in volume, 12.12 million shares traded at 15 naira 75 kobo. Also, Owando have done almost 10 naira, but now 9 naira 90 kobo, 8.1 million shares traded so far. UPA maintains 17 naira 20 kobo, 6.6 million shares traded so far. Zenith Bank at 31 naira 90 kobo, 6.4 million shares so far. This is the state of the market right now. We speak. I'm trying to make it far because of this internet that is not stable, going up and down, so that we're able to cover our market before to still go because it's going up and down. You can see the thing is just not stable for what I'm looking at, going up and down in the as it's reading. But I believe that it will carry us. If you are hearing me there, we'll continue from here. That I believe that the market still have momentum, and that is good thing for us. Like I said yesterday, our market is still within the consolidation level, and which is strong. You can see it here. But because market have not make a good uptrend, we have seen for the past 5 trading days now. So yesterday, market has been up and down. Apart from this, yesterday we saw a bigger, a stronger candle, but still within the consolidation level. Was able to come out, you can see a new trend is up. A new trend has started again, but now market is still making a higher high. Even at this point, there's no cause for alarm. But don't panic in the market, but rather invest wisely and also go for defensive stocks at this point and look at stock that you know that had the capacity to maintain the positive earnings they posted in their previous quarter. That is where you should put your money and build your tent in those kind of stock as to speak. But this morning market is flat here. You can see it here, still within that above the 67,000, which is good. This is a good psychology. Once able to cross the 68,000, that market has started another trend entirely. And I know, don't forget, market has tested 68,459 before pulling back. Once now around 67,103.18. For me, I believe that there's still potential for this market to go up here. But this is for this market. But quickly, we'll call up our other indicators that we'll use for our discussion in this class. But today, I would like us to look at our ADS. That is what we call to see the strength or the movement in the market. Is very, very important. Let's look at our ADS and see where is the market going here. Look at ADS, we call our money flow, and also look at what our T line. Now, these are the things we'll be looking at this moment so that it will help us to make informed decision. Yes, money flow, and also our T line. Change this exponential 9 towards to 8. 8 for the short term for every time frame. It's applicable for you to know to filter the noise in the market at the same time. It helps you to know the support and resistance on the market. This is a good thing to use, a good indicator to use to help you make things easier for you. Like I said, you must have what works for you and use it. Don't pattern your trade, with another person plan. But don't know his source of income. Don't know his risk tolerance. If you know yourself, that's why you must develop yourself to know that your success it depends on you. That is why build emotional is on you. That means you are the great, hindrance to your success in trading. You are the great agent that make you have a successful trade, become a successful trader. You personally is what that means. You have to work on yourself, and that is why you must know what works for you and use it at all time. And that is why if you are trading with your interest and you are trading, know what you are doing. I will tell you, you might not be making money every day, but your money side will be better, and that also it's a gradual thing to build your wealth. And building wealth overnight is something else. And I don't encourage that with trade. Trade is not so easy, but you can build your trade, your wealth with your trade as you keep consistently, and also reduce your losing games, and also increase your winning games in the market. That is how to create wealth in the market. Yes, you can see right here, the market is still above the T line. As at yesterday, but does not make a good move. But if you look at that's why I'm using this ADS. You can see that market is relatively not too strong. ADS is sitting around if you look at your ADS now, it's around 17 below 20. I mean, momentum in the market. Yes, we saw yesterday that the money flow came back around almost 43, but right now you can see that it's still down around 33 on a daily chart. That is for the money flow. Volume was seen as relatively low. I already said that the smart money are not in the market as we speak. and when you see that in the market, you will know. And I will tell you that the number we're expecting is the major catalyst that will turn the market, or if there's any other positive sentiment that will come from the authority, the fiscal and monetary authority. This also will be another. But I tell you, all eyes are what on inflation figure for September, and also and the Q3 earnings power earnings report for what for the companies that has the word December year and other quarterly report. Here, quickly look at the chart. Let's start for looking at what 4 hours chart now. Start for that 4 hour chart. We take it down. Look at your 4 hour chart right here to speak. I see that yes, you can see that same trend I told you earlier, up and down, and now market is trending. Does not make a move. This is what will happen before. You can see it here in that range that we have not seen a great change, but slightly above the T line. You can see what I'm seeing here. Let me bring this so you can see that market is at this point slightly above what above the you can see. You can see where the the market is making kind of a side trending now on the 4 hour chart. You can see that the ADS can see that though there is space here once it's about to cross. So I'm not comfortable with the internet going up and down. I think we'll be drawing the curtain here now with this analysis, because before you go off again, I'm not comfortable with that going up and down. Cutting my flow, I don't understand it. But you can see that on 1 hour chart, it's still the same trend. But let's quickly go to 15-minute chart before we look at 5 minutes. That will be the last we can look at this trend. You can see it here again, very sharp. You can see from here in the last 15 minutes, you can see that it's trending. And you can see here, you can see the momentum is good here. We're seeing money flow around 55 or 15 minutes chart. This fella, but I tell you, the better time frame that work is that the 1 hour and 4 hour start, 15 minutes. Okay, almost you can see that on 5 minutes chart again, market is still trending above the T line. Good one, you can see also momentum telling us on the 5 minutes storage rate, but you can see that the green one is looking down here and looking down to read the 54, also money flow. This is the state of the market as we speak. Yes, but let's quickly look at Owando before this market, before this internet that is rotating also. I don't know why it's going up and down, but let's take another, let me look at stuff. On a 15-minute start, you can see that Owando is slightly below the T line here, but you can see that momentum is strong. You can see that there's a momentum here coming up. The green one below the above the red one. Yes, money flow reading 83 on 5 minutes. If you look at 15-minute start on 15-minute start, it's above the T line. Even when it goes up and like I said, it's not now in the last 15 minutes, green and red. But I'm not comfortable with this internet going up and down. Let's drop the cut. Let's drop the curtain here. So I'll continue tomorrow. Let's see whether the internet will also be friendly tomorrow. But this hour, internet is not friendly. Let's quickly call it